Ladies and gentlemen, the dollar yen is moving sharply to the downside again today. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row where the price has moved in a downward bias, and that has taken the price to a key retracement level. So let's talk about it. Looking at the daily chart here, if you go to the high price just 5 days ago and start to look at this move to the downside, that move to the downside has now moved 630 to 50 basis points to the downside in 5 trading days. That's a huge move to the downside. We went from overbought up here, and now we're getting it into oversold area here in the dollar versus yen from a RSI basis at least. But the momentum continues to go in that direction as traders react to this weaker than expected CPI data, and also the potential that the Bank of Japan might look to ease its yield curve controls. We'll see how that pans out, but certainly the bias to the downside has picked up momentum over the last week, and we're being reflected in the technicals. Now, looking at the daily chart, what happened here from a technical perspective today was the break below this trend line. This trend line connected swing lows from here, and again here, and breaking below that level near the 135.029 level increases the bearish bias for this currency pair. Now, the move to the downside is also reached and is approaching a key retracement level and swing level. The retracement level is the 38.2% retracement. That's of the move up from the 2023 low, which occurred way back here in the month of January, to the high price that we saw just, 2 weeks ago. And the 38 comes in at 138.2248. And as you can see, the price has moved below that level. Also in play is this swing area. The swing area goes back to these different swing highs and lows through here, moved to the upside there, then came back down and retested this area right through here and broke below the level and used this level as resistance here. Pretty decent support and resistance level through here. Then what do? We moved back up and retested the swing area here and retested it here, and then moved above it here and used this level as a base to move to the upside here. So it's a really good level or a good area from a technical perspective between 137.50 and 138.14. That's about 60 to 70 basis points, I know, but you can't deny the fact that the level has been either a point of support or a point of resistance for this currency pair going back all the way to August of 2022. So that may give the idea that the market's oversold from a technical perspective some credence in that traders might lean against this area as a support level and push the price back to the upside. We will see, but certainly if the price stays below 139.0203 level here on the daily chart, the bias remains more to the downside as the breaking the trend line is in play. Also, finally, I remiss on the daily chart to talk about the 200 and 100-day moving averages. Both those levels are coming into play as well as the market moves lower. So plenty of technical levels off the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here just for giggles. And if we look at it, traders took the price below a swing area through here, where we had different swing highs here, became swing lows through here, had some moves below the level there, but then reestablished support against this area before rotating to the upside. So this area comes between the 138.73 and 138.89 level. If it would take a move back above that level to give the buyers some added comfort or a victory from this sharp move to the downside. Also, the 38.2% retracement, the move up from this March low to the high price here would also be a level that if the market were to get back above, it would increase the bullish bias. On the downside, the 50% of this move up comes in at 137.35, and also the 200 and 100 bar moving averages on the 4-hour chart are also in play near that 50% retracement level. So those are other key targets on the downside. So there you have it, a pretty detailed look at the dollar versus yen as it moves sharply to the downside over the last 5 trading days. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.